So here in our example, we have a pre-animated fan. Our goal is to double the speed of this fan. It's rotating along its local z-axis. Currently it's set to 720 degrees over 300 frames. So it's exactly 2 full revolutions. But the problem is that if you select your keys and simply type the value which we want to get, every key will jump to that exact value. The animation curve will flatten and the rotation will stop instantly. Of course, we can do it manually. For example, we can take these keys and we can try to scale keys in the curve editor manually, but that requires eyeballing it, and you will lose perfect mathematical precision. The most accurate way is to use formulas directly in the value field. So select your keys and type n times 2. The variable n represents the current value of each key. So we can achieve the same result if we use another mathematical signs. We can use plus. We can type n plus 720. The speed of this animation will be the same. In another examples, you can see how easily we can make it rotate 10 times faster if we type n times 10. And of course, we can cut the speed in half if we type n divided by 2. This method keeps your animation cars intact while giving you 100% mathematical accuracy.